Ho Chi Minh! May layover po kami sa Kuala Lumpur for 2 hours. We're taking off na. Hi guys, we're currently here sa Kuala Lumpur sa airport nila. Tapos akala namin late na kami kasi nakalagay 2, tapos nakalagay pa sa boarding pass na 20 minutes late. Magko-close na daw yung ano tawag na? Basta magko-close na siya. Tapos turns out 2:40 pa pala. Sayang, bumili kami ng food, tapos may drinks to. So, pinatapon. This is our food. We're gonna try KFC. Itong lahat ng food na to, how much? 400, almost 500.
94. 490. For just 2 burgers, 1 fries, and 2 drinks.
This one's good. Fries na parang may sauce. We're gonna eat first.
Chicken burger.
Grabe guys, nakaka-stress. Most stressful ever. Sobrang gulo.
Grabing tubig yan. Siguro aliyan sa ano ng balon ng buhay.
Sa bagay, duman sa New York, ano yun? $4.
200. 60 naman yung palito. So mga nasa 300 ang sarap. Grabe man.
Guys, if nasa Malaysia kayo, this price is so good.
Pero nasa Asia pa lang kita.
So good, so good. Touchdown Vietnam! Grabe ang pinagdaanan na immigration sa Malaysia, pero dito sobrang bilis.
Kung direct kita, mas smooth ano.
Yung our luggage, guys. Tapos magbubook na kami ng Grab. Sobrang mura lang ng Grab here. 200, 6-seater na.
Pero gusto mo na lang mag-tip ng dakula. Mayaman na.
Sobrang yaman namin dito, guys. Grabe na. Milyonaryo kami dito.
Ang ano magaling yung million dong.
Yeah. We're gonna find the
That
Grab.
is 185,000 dong ang pamasahita. Which is just 270 pesos.
Finally in Vietnam. Touchdown. Yes. First things first, we're gonna eat pho. Bababa lang kami ng gamit. We're staying at Din Phat Hotel. And then, may mini-bus tour kami. So excited! We are staying here at Din Phat Hotel. This is how the room looks like. Oh, so nice. It's a bit old, pero pwede na. Malapit sa city. And laki ng room. Laki ng bed. And look! Here's our view. Nice. Wow, perfect! May pa-bathtub. We're here! Touchdown! Vietnam! Guys, we are out and about.
Iba pa subo.
Ay, egg. And then, mag-withdraw lang kami kasi wala kaming cash. And then, we're gonna eat. Sana may makita kaming sausage. Marami nagsasabi na masarap daw yung sausage nila here. And I hope naririnig nyo ako kasi sobrang daming nangyayari. But yeah, we're just walking here. We are currently here sa VP Bank. Sabi maganda daw dito. And then, use Maribank if may Maribank kayo. Kasi mataas daw cashback. Yan. We're so near sa famous Choben Pan Market. Pero di kami magbibili dyan kasi it's mahal. But now, we are going to eat at Pho Vietnam. Nag-walk lang kami. Where? We are just walking para ma-explore pa namin yung place. Init! We are crossing! Ah! Oh my goodness! Ang dami! Dinumog kami ng motor. Sobrang daming motor, guys. Sa first day pa lang. Here! Pho Vietnam. First pho of the day. Grabe, sobrang init, but we're here, guys, sa Pho Vietnam. We're looking lang kung anong i-orderin namin. But I think spicy. We're gonna order yung may meat. Tapos ano lang siya, 85 dong. 85,000 dong. Wow. 85,000 for one bowl.
Pag convert mo siya. Yeah.
That's all, thank you.
Ilagay mo na baby yung ano.
Bigyan natin ng leaves. Let's taste if it's good. So good. Guys, the pho was so good. I'd rate this a 10 out of 10. How about you, Dai? How would you rate?
10 over 10.
Rate the pho.
9.5. Yeah, 9.5.
I'd rate it a 10. It was so good. Everything was, anong tawag nito? Nagsasama-sama. Nagsasama-sama. Sobrang sarap. Anyway, next stop is we're gonna do the city bus tour. Here, waiting for the bus. Pero sobrang haba ng line. Like, tapos nasa pinakadulo kami. Pero it's okay. 25-minute wait lang naman. Sana mabilis lang.
Sana ba?
They also gave us this one. Where be, Digdi? Yay! We're here at the bus. Lapit na, ang ganda guys. Tapos hindi mainit at all. Ang oily ko na kasi. Ang oily na ng hair ko pero hindi mainit at all. So nice.
Okay, next.
Uy, balik mo ulit. Tara pa. Taas ko na yun.
Ba't ganun?
Magtaas ka na. Yan.
Magdat ka na.
Grabe ko may white hair. Balik mo. Ay, dali. Ito.
Magkakaya.
Sige. Guys, we're here at Waha Studio. Come check this. Hi. Slippers. Pero maganda yun. Ito? Ano? Or mas maganda itong nasa baba? Perfecting this one. Hi guys, we're done sa Waha Studio. I really like yung isang sandals doon. Pero kasi matigas yung sole niya. So, yun, sabi ko babalikan ko na, pag-iisipan ko muna kasi it's kind of pricey. So, yeah. We're on the way back to the hotel. Pero there's, something funny na kanina ko pa dinadaldal. Tapos di pala nagre-record yung camera ko. Nakakatawa lang. Guys, finally, we are home. Grabe na pinagdaanan namin ngayong araw na to. Ang dami ko dinaldal kanina, papunta ng Waha Studio, di pala na-record. Anyway, uulitin ko na lang ulit. As I was saying, di ba pagkatapos ng bus ride namin, tapos, nag-part ways na kami ng ate ko. Umuwi na siya dito sa hotel. Tapos kami kasi, plan pa namin na pumunta sa Central Market. Tapos, adin, nakasakay na kami parehas ng Grab. Tapos, nung nasa Grab na kami, sabi ko, ba't wala akong wifi? Ganyan. Kasi naka-pocket wifi kami. Tapos, yun pala yung wifi na dala ng ate ko. Tapos, hindi kami magkaintindihan ng Grab driver. Buti na lang sobrang bait niya. Tapos, yung babayaran ko kasi doon is 31,000. Tapos, yung pinakamaliit na cash ko na lang is 19,000. Yung pinakamalaki is 500. Tapos, tinuturo niya yung 500 ko. Wala daw siyang pang-barya. Tapos, sabi niya, i-translate ko daw sa phone ko. Eh, wala din naman akong wifi. Tapos, sobrang bait niya kamo. Hindi man lang siya, yung parang, sobrang grumpy na, nakakainis, ganyan, kung, basta hindi siya galit or what. Tapos parang sabi ko na lang, kung okay lang ba na pagbaba namin, bibili muna ako ng kahit ano para mabayaran ko siya. Tapos nag-antay siya. So, yun. Tapos, pauwi dito, na lang kami, lakad kami. Tapos, pumunta kami ng Waha Studio. Waha Studio. I don't know how you call it. Pero, yun. May magandang sandals kasi sobrang tigas ng sole niya. Pero, lumalambot naman daw siya eh. In the long run. Pero, ewan ko lang. Pinag-iisipan ko pa since medyo pricey din siya. But yeah, I'll be ending the vlog here for my day 1. Bye! Day 2 in Vietnam!
Nasaan ko baby si mo?
Here's the outfit.
Lipstick. Ito parang tint lang.
This is from Urban Revivo. Shein. And then, Sunny's.
Very pink yun.
Oh, turista, di mo kaya.
I know my heart.
Time check, 9 a.m. This is the day 2 and dapat dito kami kakain. Sobrang lapit lang sa hotel namin.
Naka-cafe na lang na nakita.
Maano kita? Wait.
Sobrang haba ng line. Look.
Anong bread?
Change location for the day. Kami, bang. Hi! Tapos yung Grab namin guys is 31,000. We're such a millionaire here. Minsan lang maging milyonaryo. Sa ibang bansa pa. Look at my get up. Tinali ko lang yung hair ko kasi sobrang init. Pero bababa ko siya. But, yeah. Perfect. May kortina ang ni sir. Perfect. Guys, we are going to Little Hanoi. We're gonna grab some breakfast there. Tapos after nun, we're going to the book street. Guys, we're finally here sa Little Hanoi. Hihirapan kami hanapin siya kasi nasa alley pala siya. But, it's here. Super nice.
Parang crispy siya.
Love it. Then we're gonna check their menu. We got this large na banh mi from Banh Mi Kyunhwa. I know this is like super famous.
It's a traditional one.
Dito yung looks like
Wait,
this.
you didn't sanitation.
Yan. Tapos ayan. Tapos may veg siya sa loob. Then, dito guys, we're just gonna eat light. Kasi may booking kami sa Pizza 4-piece around 12 p.m. So, yeah. We're just gonna try their coconut coffee. Here's our food na nabili namin sa Banh Mi. Looks so good. Pina-half namin siya. This one's large. Tapos 70k. 73, 78. Parang 70 pesos. Tapos 180 pesos daw sa pera natin. Tapos they also give this cucumber kung gusto niyo. We ordered 3 coffees here sa Little Hanoi. The salted. Yeah.
It's a coconut coffee, cold coffee, and small coffee.
Thank you. This one's the coconut coffee, the egg coffee, tapos yung salted caramel something. Tapos nag-order lang kami ng spring rolls kasi baka mabusog kami super. That's the food. So good. Guys, let's taste test this one. Here.
Ito ano? Kaya wala kaya?
It's like
No,
toasted. Let's try the famous egg coffee.
Ano yun? Season?
Parang siyang leche flan na tunaw, gano'n.
But it's good.
This one, it's very strong. So like, feeling ko kapag pinag-mix siya, it's so good. But I'm not gonna mix it para malalasahan din nila how the egg tastes. It's good. It's too strong. I like this spring rolls.
Yeah, but this is the strongest.
Let's try the coconut coffee. This one's so good. This one's the salted caramel, guys. Try natin. Sabi ni Doreen, among the 3, ito yung pinakamatapang.
Oh yes, it is.
It is sobrang tapang. May liver spread. So if you don't like that, medyo grabe yung taste ng liver spread.
Ano dyan? Yung, ano?
This one, I think meat. Meat. Hindi ako mahilig ng liver spread. Tapos yung meat medyo sobrang soft for me. Kami palang kasama na gulay nung banh mi. Yan o. Here, tapos meron pang ganito. Nay, how would you rate it? this one, the banh mi.
8 over 10.
Wow. Ikaw, ate?
Mga 7.5.
Ikaw?
Same, 7.5.
Ako, I'd rate it again as 7. Kasi mukhang masarap siya kapag may cucumber. Di na namin ito binuksan. Kasi may cucumber naman dito sa gilid. Basta nice nung ano namin dito. Parang yung sa tahian. Sakto-sakto yung punta namin kasi sobrang dumami na yung tao. But nonetheless, after this, we're going to the book street. Yes, we're here sa book street. Tapos ayun yung parang church. Cathedral. After nito, kakain na naman kami kasi yung reservation namin sa 4-piece.
I don't usually cry at all, but why is it always close? Ranging from a movie scene to made up people in my dreams.
We're done here sa Book Street. Wala na kaming time, so di na kami nakapag-picture. Yung ano ang tawag nun? Yung parang painting sana. But yeah, we're going here sa Notre Dame Cathedral. Yun ata yung name niya. I'm not sure. Pero we're gonna go here. Can I say hi to my boy? Hello! We just took some pictures here. Meron pa pala here guys sa medyo dulo. You didn't know. Yeah. It's a souvenir shop. Medyo souvenir shop. Tapos may mga, ano siya, postcards. Pero medyo pricey here. Kasi, syempre, tourist, ano to. But yeah. Here's the cathedral. We're going to post office. Hindi namin to guys mapupuntahan kasi close siya since ginagawa pa siya. So we're just gonna go here sa post office and check kung anong meron dito. Actually 12 na. And yung booking namin sa 4-piece is 12 p.m. din. Pero may grace period siya na 30 minutes. So dadaan lang kami ng mabilisan here sa post office. Just to check lang. Para mapuntahan namin. Hindi na kami babalik here. For sure, mahal dito. So, if like you wanna go here, you can also bring your own card. Yan. 60,000 tong. Ang cute to, purple. BTS. I'm gonna buy this. Yay! What did you buy? This one. Look, Pingu. So cute. Thank you. 60. May hat siya and may flag. Cute. How much was it? 60,000 dong. 135 pesos. Wow. Okay, my bag. Kinanay. She's tired. This.
Wow, so cute.
Yes, I bought this.
The fit.
Shot glass ate, oh. Yeah, this is cute. Shot yan. 25,000. With the hat. Keychain.
Sige, sanampak ko na.
Perfect. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Magbubook na kami guys. Para sakto sa ano. Pero ang dami nila here, oh, magnets. We also have this magnet. We're gonna buy this sa yung sa murang ano lang, market. But their magnets is so cute. Ayan, oh. Banh mi. Now, papunta na kami sa 4-piece pizza sa may Saigon Center. Then after doon, mag-shop na kami there. Pawis ko, oh. Pero it's still giving.
Mga skirt naman sa
Madaming skirt na yun. Baka mahal duman. Tig-ili mo na yun, guys.
Sabi ko kaya ako.
Dun sa may book street, guys, may shops din pala. Nagtingin yung nanay ko. Nagpicture kasi kami diretso eh. Ganda. Tapos ang chill lang ng mga tao here.
Kaya namin mamadali.
Kami lang harag kasi ang dami namin gusto puntahan. Yan. Sobrang init pero hindi naman like striking hot yung init. Medyo gloomy nga eh. Parang kala namin uulan. Pero so-so. Pero mainit pa din kasi lakad kami ng lakad. Here guys, at Saigon Center. Guys, nandito na kami sa 4-piece pizza. Ano yan, Nay? Yan na lang. Anong pizza yan? Okay, grabe 328,000 for a pizza.
Pero ang pizza
One sarong pizza, sarong pasta. Grabe, ang importante lang sa nanay ko makaupo siya. I like my get up today. Sobrang ganda nitong Sonny's na nabili ko. Sa Sonny's. Diba? Here's our order, half and half na pizza. This was burrata. Tapos ito is seafood.
Tom yum.
Tom yum. Tapos ito is crab pasta. Oh my god. So juicy. Wow.
Spread it.
Yeah, it's spread. Shopping starts now. Mas mura here guys yung sa Uniqlo. Ceiling price is $9.90 pero here is $9.15. So parang makaka-save ka din.
Yes. Yes.
Wow. Grabe na ang mga people.
Ano
I need to magbakal ng jacket pag pauli.
This is
I like it. Maganda talaga to.
small.
It's only, magkano na lang yun ate? 1.3?
1.3.
1.3 na lang because it's naka-sale. Pero original price ata nito is $2,990. I'm not sure. I also have this pero binigay lang. Hehe. This one's
Magayon
mura
siya,
lang.
no?
Yeah.
Manada kita basket.
So nice.
Let's get a basket na daw.
Guys, look oh.
It's 1.2 dong before, and right now it's only
599,000. So, very steal. Gosh. Niisip ko tuloy if gusto ko din other color. Like gray.
Hindi ka na mag-rent.
Kaso, ay mahanap ako ng other color. Ay, other type, other design.
For me.
Ang cute nung ni nanay. Mura lang to, huh? Parang 1.3 ata. Ayan o. Ang cute ng color, bagay. Very summery. Ang presko ng tela.
It's small.
Ito guys, I'm gonna buy this. It's just $799. Pero I'm still thinking if this is the one that I like. Hi B. Excuse me.
Sorry.
Looks like this. May mas light denim pa, pero parang mas gusto ko yung dark. Hi. 1.8. Siguro sa atin, baka mga 2,990 na to. Dito 1.8 lang. Grabe, parang mabigat siya. Wala kasi akong dala ng jacket. So, ito na yung i-jacket ko sa airport. Kasi medyo mabigat siya, feeling ko. Yeah. Okay, let us go. We're looking perfumes here. We're looking for the On Cloud. Oh, here it is. We're looking for the On Cloud shoes. bag niya. Hanggang pag uwi na
Babalik na dun ko ni Akshan.
Alin yan? Dapat i-open mo siya ate.
Grabe siya. Nagsuroong na si amoy niya.
Ngayon, nagtitingin si nanay ng on-count. Tapos kami nakaupo lang. We're so tired. Pero like, hindi pa nagsistart talaga. Mall pa lang to.
Hindi pa nagsastart ang papagalan.
True.
Work pa po.
We need coffee.
Yes, I want coffee. Vietnamese coffee with coconut.
Yeah. Very good ang coconut coffee. Is we're here naman sa Nike. Grabe na, B. Ang aking we're looking for shoes. Tapos ang napili ni nanay dito is Vomero. Pero try niya muna. Wala siyang nagustuhan sa On Cloud eh. Tapos wala na din sizes.
Yan ba kasi pilay? Dahil siya bulky?
Oh, sige, maglakaw ka na. Maghanap ka na yung yung 7.
Oh, see?
Guys, ang problem niya kasi nababalkihan daw siya. Pero magaan naman. Trust ang mga Gen Z. Ito, Vomero. Unang trinay na nanay. Pero mas nagustuhan niya yung P6000. Cute dun yung color, muted pink. Masyadong nakakababae. Wow. Mas comfy daw sa kanya yung P6000. We're here at
Saigon Square. And this is the stall ni Kuya.
We're going to buy that coffee. Ang dami na ng coffee here, oh. We have a lot of coffee. And we're gonna try this coconut one. Ang bango.
Color also because it's on the paper. No eat on better because you just eat a little bit you cannot
Eat
feel
everything. Eat everything. This one is the...
This one Vietnamese coffee and then I
Vietnamese
make more for
coffee.
you try the coconut coffee. I think you can check. Now you want try more? You want try more the Vietnamese coffee or the coconut coffee?
This one's a Vietnamese coffee. Oh,
Wala, this one's
so good. Di mo na kailangan magkape sa labas. Dito na.
We need coffee maker.
No, yeah, because this one when you buy coffee and you can bring this one.
Sabi ni Buboy.
You go home, you just put coffee powder inside here. You can put half the filter, the powder, and then you put this one at hot water. And you put this like this. Wait a minute, coffee oven, and then you can put more hot water 2 times. 2 times more hot water, and this one coffee drip.
Nagdi-drip.
Drip this one. And you can add sugar, milk, and drink. This one I put condensed milk and the coffee only.
Condensed milk?
Yes.
Wow. This is so good.
Yeah.
What kind of condensed milk do you
The
put?
Vietnamese one only.
Tamis condensed.
Sa soup.
In the Philippines also have condensed milk. You can book your country condensed milk. So Philippines. In Tagalog you say castoy.
Kasoy, yeah.
How do you learn to speak in
Because I
Tagalog?
have many customers from Philippines. Okay. This one malaki castoy.
Hindi ka ba friend in, in the Philippines?
We can share.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
okay.
Okay no.
Good na. Yeah, madam.
It's okay. Galing ng coffee, guys. Guys, we ordered a lot. Grabe, sobrang sarap ng coffee nila. You should look for his shop, guys. So nice. Sa likod siya ng entrance and then go straight and then right.
You from Manila?
Yeah.
You are sister or friends?
Sisters.
Sisters, cousins.
Ah,
Mother dear.
mother.
Guys, pabalik ulit kami ng hotel. Nagbabala kami ng gamit. Tapos nagbibiling ako ng pera. Meron na lang kami 2 million. Tapos yan, mga tira-tira. Yung Grab namin dito, amazing. 31 dong lang every time. So, around 70 pesos. Ganun. 4 na kami dun.
Grabe.
Ay, wake up! Let's go! Maturog na siya. Grabe, ano 5:30 pa lang na.
Manchester siya.
Gusto na mag-sleep. Guys, we are walking. Kaming tatlo na lang nila ate. Tapos si Doreen yung pupunta sa the new playground at Vincom Center. Kasi napagod na si nanay. Later, babalik kami doon. And then, kakain kami. Ano kami, cafe. Yun. Susama na namin si nanay. But now, kami ng tatlo lang muna. Guys, we're already here. So start namin sa pinakadulo, papunta doon. Sa ano lang naman to? Second floor. Oh my gosh! Ang ganda ng pants.
Okay, wait.
Grabe na.
Don't get too excited.
Yeah. Ganda nitong pants. Kaso, parang ang haba niya. Look at the deets sa baba. So ganda. It's 480,000 Vietnamese dong. So nice. Ang ganda nito, oh. Nakita ko to sa Shopee around 700. I just don't know kung how much it dito. Pero ang ganda ng mga tops nila here. This one, the silk one. They also have a lot of dresses. This is the first top. Hindi tinanggal yung top ko kasi sobrang init dito. Sira ata yung aircon na. Grabe. And this is the first top. Tapos ito naman yung dress ni Doreen.
Good for me.
I think I'm gonna get this. Medyo tricky lang how siya not, pero tinuruan naman ako. But I like this top. First purchase. Guys, grabe na tong top na to. Hindi na siya makatarungan. Dapat pag nag-shop kayo guys, dapat lang, comfy, madaling alisin yung damit. We're not gonna stop by kasi nagmamadali kami and di naman talaga kasama sa itinerary na mag-stop by here. But here it is. Nakabook na kami on the way to the new playground. Yun, sana mas marami and mas mura yung mabili namin doon. But yeah. I'm here at Ruby's. Tapos, look, this is in the size large. Parang sobrang laki niya sa akin. Wala na silang YouTube. Tapos sobrang sikat ng small. Hindi naman sila. So, I'm not gonna get anything here. Hindi ko masyado bet yung skirt though. Ganda sana siya kasi may pocket. Pero parang hindi ko masyado bet yung fit niya sa akin. Sayang, mas mura dito kasi dun sa una namin na pinuntahan. But, it's okay. Laki na ng large for me. Guys, we're here sa eBay. This is meron nakakitang pants. This would be my very first white pants. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang fitted lang. I'm not sure if maganda siya. Pero sabi nila maganda daw. I think I'm gonna get this. Kasi medyo mahaba siya though. Look. Pero sakto ko lang.
Grabe na guys, ang kapagalan ni.
Grabe, sobrang pagod kami guys. Galing kami dito. Pumunta kami Ruby's. Here is the Ruby's. Yan. Tapos pumunta kami eBay. Konti lang yung nabili namin. Wala sila masyadong size. Tapos si ate, size medium siya sa Pinas. Dito, size XL.
Extra large.
Grabe. Tapos, yun. Konti lang nabili namin. Wala nga ako nabili na top eh. Ay, meron pala. Isang top, tapos isang pants lang yung nabili ko. But yeah, we're on the way back to the hotel kasi anong oras na? We're gonna grab some dinner. I'm so tired. Grabe. Shop till you drop talaga. Magda-drop na kami. Ito yung Kong Cafe na famous.
Yeah.
Sightseeing. Pero di namin muna siya itatry. Let's try on ng mga binili namin. I got this pants. So nice from eBay. First time ko magkaroon ng pants na white. na maganda, na like fit sa waist, fit sa bewang, tapos maluwag here. I got this sweater sa Uniqlo. Mas mura yung Uniqlo nila here. She got this sa Uniqlo.
Yeah. This from Uniqlo.
Sa Libay din. Pero kay Doreen to. Ito, this one is hers. I got this apartment compound.
It's clothing apartment.
I got clothing apartment.
Grabe ang mga apartment pa kanina.
Ito yung brand, guys. Nakita lang namin siya nung nag-ano kami. Tapos ito kay Doreen. It's a dress, polka dot dress. I-haul ko na dito kasi baka di ka na mapakita kapag nasa Philippines na. And then I also got this sweater. Green naman siya, pero iba yung fabric. This one is parang medyo rib, ganyan. Tapos ito is parang smooth lang. Guys, mag-dinner kami sa Broken Rice. Tapos ito yung outfit ko. Huwag niyo nang tanungin kung bakit ito ulit yung outfit ko. This is also my airport outfit.
Ara mo, tingisip ko nito.
Grabe na, guys. Grabe na to. Parang nasa Pobla lang. Na-reach na ang destination.
Tam-tam di tam.
Tom the Tom. Grabe yung smell, guys. There's some parang sa market lang.
Iba-iba ba sa to?
Pwede na dahil na. 7-Up na lang, baby.
7-Up tayo. Sige. Share na lang kita. 7-Up.
2 orders of number 2. And then,
It's very authentic. Kasi nasa side of the road.
Korea feels.
Ang smell, ang people, ang experience ko lang.
Okay lang. Yeah. Pero if like, medyo like maarte kayo, and sensitive, ganon, don't go here.
di man ang mga vlogger nga ni nagdidigdi.
Kasi the smell is not pleasant talaga. Medyo maasim, ganon. Or baka kami lang kasi malapit kami dito. Hindi ko alam. As in, I don't wanna judge. Pero I'm looking forward sa food. And sana masarap! Guys, here's the food. Ito yung binili namin. Spare ribs and belly. Pero it's almost the same. Tapos na kami kumain. Masarap siya. It's good. My rating is 8 out of 10. Tapos meron ditong malapit na GS25. We're just looking kung anong bago. Or like, anong meron dito. Sa
Loko ang pilosin na may coconut.
They have outside. Look.
May pillows na coconut.
Ano kaya mga ice cream? Wow, may lace na nori.
Uy, may ice cream oh.
What is that?
Mango. How much?
What?
Yeah, di ba? How much?
I don't know that. Pero it's good.
Yeah, di ko daw sure. Nahiling ko lang kayo ni sa TikTok.
Lemon. Ano pa? Let's try the mango.
Yeah.
Ay, may peach.
Ah, peach. Iba pa ang peach.
Peach. Let's try the mango. Mango lang? Yeah. Isa lang.
Which one? Look at the Kit Kat, oh. Wow, Kit Kat cornetto.
Wow, look at the yung pagkaayos, parang flower.
Truly.
Gonna try this mango. Search namin kung ano yung damda. May joke si ate ko, ano yung damda? Ano yung damda?
Damda and broke.
Dark oatmeal. Dark oatmeal? Kaya doon siguro ito
Oatmeal.
coffee shop. Oatmeal? Ano ba? Ano ba? Oatmeal.
Uy, ano?
How much yan?
Dum-dum and broke. This.
Wow.
Look, it's smoking pa, oh.
Okay.
Ika naman na mag-taste test.
Why'd you put your lips there?
Good? Oh, ika naman daw rin. Garo nangingilo ang ngipon ko sa ilo. Sarap?
Medyo maasim.
Ba, nangamoy yan. Sarap yan.
Pero may certain taste siya na naaamoy ko na somewhere. Na-tonsillitis siya guys kasi sa aircon.
Tinawan siya kang aircon sa ladies. Takula, ay, matagasan siya, no?
Tara na.
Lalo!
Ano yan?
Guys, I'm gonna end my vlog here. Bye! See you tomorrow!
Bye! Pagod na siya.
Uy, mabilis na siya! Galing! Tagas!
Ang meron pang cover.